nonsense before blocking him. For the next week, I kept getting calls and messages from my family calling me all sorts of names. The final straw was Amanda accusing me of being a bitter person that only cared for themselves. I called her back, saying if that's what she really thought, then I'll stop paying for her daughter's medication and remove them from my health insurance, knowing most of my family from siblings to aunts and uncles, can't afford most of the medicine and treatment by themselves. Suddenly, she started apologizing and begging me not to punish them like this, but I was done. I was done being treated this poorly while they used my money. I blocked them, apart from Lori, fully after that. Nathan was on my side and still is. Now it's been 4 months since then, and I still don't think I'm wrong, but I told a friend, and he said I took it too far since now I'm punishing all of them when it was just my dad that did so. So, am I the butthole?